In today's video, I'll be reviewing a hair growth product, serum, and edge control product called Manna. Manna baby, what's good? Hey girl, hey, it's been a while. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Afi. If you are new to my channel, on this channel we love helping women improve their personal style that promotes their social and also public image. We also do hair tutorials, we vlog, we do a whole bunch. But yeah, if you are new, hopefully I have you locked in forever and we can be friends forever. If you are a returning subscriber, hey, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to another video. I know I've been gone for a while, but sis, I'm back. So today's video, we're doing a not hair review, but a edges review actually. This is actually a sponsored video and I'm excited to test out these products that was sent to me, and yeah, let's get into it, shall we? Yeah. Alright, so I was sent these two products actually by a company called Manna Mood. I think it's Mood Manna. I don't want to butcher the name, so here it is. And they were nice enough to send me their edge control, which is called the Chia Growth Edge Pomade, and it's the multi-use firm hold pomade, one of your typical bottle of edge control. And they also sent me their Chia Pet Growth Sperm, which is serum. Chia Pet Growth Serum. So yeah, this is the product that I showed when I introduced the company. And then they were nice enough to send me some scrunchies. Oh, it's so sweet. Two of them. They're satin scrunchies. And then they also sent me girl, I washed my hair yesterday. If I knew, I would have definitely. But this is like one of those things when you're washing your hair and you want to like scrub the scalp and just rub it. Definitely a vibe. I've seen a lot of people use this. My sister actually has something similar to this, and I'm excited to have my own. So wash day coming soon. So yeah, and then they also sent me, part of the package was their Manna edge brush, and I like this because it also have like a little pointy pan at the end, so like you can also do your little slick back hair and also do your edges all at once. So yeah, save yourself some time, girl, and go with Manna. But yeah, one thing I do like about this edge brush already is the fact that the edge is like double-edged sword, kind of biblical terms, but it's the double, so it's like it has the brush and then right here is like a comb, which I absolutely love because there are some days where when I do my edges, I do use the comb part to just swoop everything down. So that's cool. So let's open up the serum. The ingredients in here, it has castor oil. I'm gonna list all the stuff that it has on the screen so you can read it for yourself. And this is, yeah, the serum, and of course it comes in your serum bottle. I'm definitely going to try this out for a good month and then come back and talk about it. I don't want to like talk about it and girl, you haven't really used it like that, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we're definitely going to come back and talk about it. All right, so the serum comes like in a regular serum bottle. You have the little drop, and yeah, this is actually pretty sweet. And you put it in your ooh girl, yeah, that felt good. Ooh, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, it's actually like actual oil. Girl, what you thought it was? Yeah, I'm definitely gonna start out with this for a good month and see how my hair grows. We gonna see the difference because I did lose some hair. I no longer have edges right there. We're not gonna zoom in. That's a little bit too personal. But yeah, I did lose some edges because I did have braids, and that's a story for another day. And I'm actually gonna apply this every other night on my edges and see if we grow our Chia Pet hair vibes. So yeah, so this is actually the product that I'm really wanted to use, which was the edge control. It smells good. It smells really good. So yeah, so excuse me while I swoop my edges. I haven't met an edge control that does a job like Edge Booster does. So if this actually does an amazing job like Edge Booster does, I would definitely recommend it. As of right now, we're gonna do 2 tests. We're gonna try it on right now, and then I'm gonna run errands, and I'm gonna come back and let you know the vibes. Okay? So the edge control. Let's see. Oh, I like the brush. Maybe I put too much. This is a bit confusing for me. I put makeup on too. I like my edge brushes to be very rough. This one is like in the middle. It's very, ooh, okay. Okay, I see. Okay. Of course, I have makeup on, so we're gonna be struggling a little bit. But I do see, y'all see that swoop? I know you see that swoop. I see that swoop. I know you see that swoop. Hey, I see that swoop. I know you see that swoop. But yeah, so far so good. I love how, oh yeah, this is a vibe. So the edge control was actually pretty well. Like it was actually pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. It didn't give that greasy, shiny effect that most edge control that I've used in the past give. It was very easy to work with. The comb itself was also easy to work with, but then again, it was kind of confusing because I was looking at the camera mirror instead of, you know, me actually doing it in front of the mirror myself. But I am gonna say it does a great slick. I do want to try this out with my actual, you know, ponytail hairstyles. I do have another review after this one right here in the same video, like, you know, after this part right here, where I tell you how it actually came out, how it lasted during the day. I went out, I sweated, I did all what I needed to do, running errands, and that review will come up so you can see what it do, baby. But so far so good. I am gonna say I'm still using the edge control as we speak. Like as of today, I just want to see if, you know, it does what it says it does as far as like edges and stuff like that. But I am gonna give it a good 8 for right now. You know, just the fact that it did what it did. It slicked the back, no grease, no nothing. Baby was looking good, looking fabulous. So I'm back, sweaty, and I feel disgusted. But the goal for this review right here, I wanted to break it down into the fresh edge control, you know, the fresh edge slickety slick vibe where it was like, you know, all pulled back and whatever. And also the after. If you don't know, I use the Edge Booster edge control, and that edge control works amazing for my edges. And even when I sweat, my edge are slickety slick with the Edge Booster. And I wanted to see if this one does the same thing. Of course, I feel like I overdid myself today, and you can see that we had a little bit of you know, moment. And yeah, so far I am going to say this though. I'm going to say this and be completely honest. I was not expecting for this to be the way it was. The first time I had a slickety slick. The slick was slick, okay? The slick was slick. And I'm very curious to see how well this would, you know, play out with like my slick buns, or just the buns or the hairstyle, the ponytails. And I want to see how well it will play out if I was to bring them into the mix, or bring this into the mix. And I feel like it will play out really well, because the way the slick was, the slick was slicking. Okay, the edges were slicking, And I would definitely recommend anyone that is trying to grow their edges, because I do want to use this for a good month. And actually not month, I want to use this for 90 days, and I want to see how well this will grow my edges after 90 days. And then I want to come back and really give you an update review on the serum, and also what did I call this earlier? We ain't gonna think about it. The serum and also the edge control together. Not together, but you know, overall process of how my hair and my edges are doing while using these two products. And I am going to say that I did appreciate the hold. Okay, when I say the edges were slicking, the hold was great. Okay, and especially if you are a person, especially if you live in a hot weather type of environment, like the humidity is crazy, I would definitely try this out and see if it works for you. I know some edges sometimes comes with that oily effect, like after a couple hours it starts to get a bit oily and shiny, and then like your edge start doing this. But I am going to say this, it didn't do that with this. Of course, I had a lot of hair out because I ain't got no more edges, so I had to get my adult hair to do the slick. But because the edges were partially adult hair, I would say it still did the job. I actually do appreciate how it ended out. As far as the edge control, it's great. I want to make 2 videos using this product. I'm going to also do my slick back, my buns, my ponytail using the edge control. And I'm also going to apply this on my scalp before bed in the morning, just to see what it make it do, what it do, baby. And this is the only item that I'm going to use for 30 days, and we're going to come back and we're going to talk about it if it's great for you to use. I know you like that. I know you like that note. But yeah, overall, I'll give it a good 8.5. Not a 10 yet, but an 8.5 is what I will give it. I like it. My edges like it. Hopefully we grow back some baby hairs, because right now the adult hairs are turning into senior hair, and we don't want to lose all the hair. We don't. But yeah, so that's my thoughts on it. A good 8.5, and I love the fact that they gave me some scrunchies. I can't wait to use these scrunchies, and also gave me some really cool scalp massages when I do wash my hair. And yeah, I'm vibing hardcore, definitely vibing. So if you are new, hopefully you enjoy this video just as much as I enjoyed making it for you, and I hope you press subscribe by the end of this video, and hope you tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend who Afi Elizabeth is, so we can, you know, become somebody, favorite YouTuber. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will leave the link to where you can purchase the edge control and also the hair growth serum down below in my description box. Yeah, and I will talk to y'all later.